VB4 tutorial. Pick up the VB4 phone gimbal. Mount a tripod on the quarter-threaded hole on the bottom of the stabilizer. Place the gimbal's control panel facing you on the table. Extend the stabilizer arm. Position the mobile phone fixture with the logo facing up. Clip the phone at the center, as shown in the video. If the phone is tilted, you can adjust it by moving the phone left or right to level it. Power up the stabilizer. Long press the power button to turn it on. Switch between horizontal and vertical modes. Double-click the mode button to switch between horizontal and vertical filming. Thank you for watching.